You're driving through an intersection when a city bus runs a red light. Or maybe you trip on a dangerous, broken sidewalk that the city knew about but never repaired. You think, I'll call a lawyer when things settle down. That simple decision could cost you your case. Welcome to Markarian Mondays, folks. I'm John Markarian. Today we're talking about one of the biggest traps in California personal injury law, government claims. Many people know that they have a limited amount of time to file a lawsuit after an injury. But what many do not realize is that when a government entity is involved, the rules are completely different and the deadlines come much sooner. Government claims are a distinct practice area because they involve unique procedural requirements that determine essentially whether you even have a case at all. Here's a question I often ask prospective clients. Who caused the injury? If it was a private driver, a business, a property owner, one set of rules generally applies. But if your injury involves a city, a county, state agency, school district, public transportation system, or another government entity, you may first be required to present a formal government claim before you can even file a lawsuit. And here's where most people get into trouble. They assume they have years to act, only to discover later that they missed a much shorter deadline for filing the initial claim. We've seen situations involving dangerous public property, city vehicles, public transportation, and other government-related incidents where acting quickly made all the difference. The lesson is very simple. Don't assume every injury case follows the same timeline. When a government entity is involved, time is especially and essentially critical. One of the first things we do at Markarian Law is identify every potential responsible party, because sometimes responsibility doesn't rest on just one person or entity. There may be multiple defendants, including a public entity, and each may have a different legal requirement and different deadlines. That's why an early investigation is important, very critical. Our firm has successfully represented clients in government claims matters, including obtaining significant recoveries against public entities where the facts and the law supported the claim. If you've been injured and believe government entity or agency, public employee, or dangerous public property may have played some sort of a role in that situation and that injury, don't wait until it's too late to learn your rights. Call 877-MARKARIAN or visit markarianlaw.com to schedule a free consultation. Thanks for joining us on Markarian Mondays, where we simply simplify the law so you can make informed decisions and protect your rights. See you next Monday, folks. Thank you very much. Thank you. Appreciate it.